Hello, today we're going to be learning another new sound. Today we're going to check that we can say the sound, that we can read words with the sound, and that we can write them as well. So today's sound is the sound ow. Ow. Okay, my turn, your turn. Ow, ow, ow. 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 Great. The picture is to shout it out. There you go. Shout it out. So when you see this, say shout it out. And when you see this, say ow. Ow. Shout it out. Shout it out. Ow. Ow. Shout it out. Fantastic. Hope you did that really nice and loudly. Fred's come out because Fred is going to whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend them. Sh, ow, t. Shout. Ow, d. Loud. K, ow, d. Cloud. Ow, d. Round. F, ow, d. Found. Well done. Time to play the game where we hide the card in our patch. Remember to point and to say all the other sounds as well. I'm going to get really speedy today. Are you ready? Here we go. U, R, E, ow. Or, A, I, Oh, okay, I'm going to get faster. Shuffle again, shuffle again. Here we go. Or, A, U, R, I, E, ow. Oh, excellent. So we have practiced saying the sound. It's time to read words with a sound. So we need to do our green, red and alien words. Fred says, let's do some Fred talking. So we're going to sound it out together. Special friend, ow. Out, out. Special friend, ow. Ow, d, loud. Special friend, ow. Ow, d, round. Or two special friends, sh and ow. Sh, ow, t, shout. Special friend, ow and teeth on tongue, ow, th, mouth. Special friend, ow, f, ow, d, found. Fred says, let's do some Fred in my head and let's see if we can be super speedy. Okay, remember to only say it when I push out. Here we go. Mouth. Shout. Round. Loud. Out. Found. Excellent. We've done our green words. It's time for our red words. These are the ones that we can't sound out, but a lot are in the same families. I've got a new one for us today. Here we go. Be. Me. We. She. Over. School. Were. Two. One. Down. Was. No. Go. So. Her. They. Saw. All. This was one of our new ones this week, which is in the same family as tall and call. My, and the new one, which is in the same family, is the word by. So if you write a story, it's written by you. Well done. That's the end of our red words, which means it's time for our alien words. And Fred says, let's do some Fred talking. Okay, here we go. Special friend, ow. P, out, plout. Special friend, ow. F, out, frout. Special friend, ow. H, out, hout. Special friend, ow. Y, ow, d, yound. Special friend, ow. D, owd, dowd. And last one, special friend, ow. B, ow, d, browned. Very good. So we have read words with a sound, so it's time to write some words with a sound. Let's start by saying the words found, 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 found. Excellent. Let's see how many sounds found has. F, ow, n, d. 4. Let's write it down. First sound is f. There we go. Let's find out the next sound. F, ow. Here we go. Special friend. It's our sound for today. F, ow, n. Good. What was the last sound? F, ow, n, d. Fantastic. F, ow, n, d. Found. And we have 4 sounds, so we get 4 ticks. Let's do sound because that is one of our ow words. Say sound. 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 Great. S, ow, n, d. 4 sounds as well for that. Let's sound out. S is our first one. Good. What's our next sound? S, ow. Here we go. Special friend. S, ow, n. S, ow, n, d. Let's sound it out. S, ow, n, d. Sound. Great. And it's got 4 ticks. Let's do another word. Let's do a nice short one. Let's do out. 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 Out, out, out. Great. Let's see how many sounds. Out. Only 2. First sound is ow. It's our special friend sound for today. Ow. The next sound is ow. T. There we go. So ow, t, out. And we've only got 2 sounds, so 2 ticks. Let's do one more. Let's do the word shout, because that's got 2 special friends. Let's say it. Shout. 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 Great. Here we go. Sh, ow, t. 3 sounds, but we know we have a lot more letters. First sound is sh, sh. And sh is written with a s and a. There we go. Sh, ow. Our sound for today. Sh, ow, t. There we go. Sh, out, shout. And we have 3 sounds, so 3 ticks. Well done. We have now written our words as well, which means we have achieved all our steps for today. Hope you have lots of fun trying that at home as well. Bye bye.